All right, welcome to this video. Joey here, and I just wanted to verify some things here on this email thing, this email marketing question that's coming up. And I did a couple of videos regarding how to send people to, to the same sequence or to a re-engagement sequence, and I'm using tags there to control whether or not you want people to go through the same sequence or not. And so I wanted to confirm this because a few people have mentioned that Kajabi automatically saves us from, and I'm not sure the saves is the right word yet, but saves us from, or the contact from going through the same sequence twice. That means if they opt into, a free lead magnet or something from the form and they do it again, or they opt in somewhere else and it's sending them to the same sequence. In this case, I'm going to use like a welcome sequence as the example. They will not go through that again if they're using the same email and all that, right? So it's kind of a good, thing, but at the same time, it's got a lot of limitations. And the reason that I did the videos is because, I work with clients on other platforms, and, admittedly, I'm using another platform to do most of my main marketing, email marketing, but I'm also using Kajabi. So when I get, into a situation where someone asks me to do a certain thing, I immediately go to tags and say, well, here's how we do the controlling tags. Now, one thing that's really great about Kajabi is they have done so many great things behind the scenes to allow us to not have to use tags. Like, if you want to know how many people have submitted a certain form, you don't have to tag them. And in other platforms, I have to do that. So that's really great. So that's the reason why I gravitate more on controlling stuff with tags. So just to put that disclaimer out there. And I just wanted to verify this because if it's right, then we'll know, right? So what I'm going to do here is I have two freebie freebie pipelines, if you want to call them that. And again, this is my demo account. There's no data in here whatsoever. So that's why you see zeros all the way across the board and all this stuff. But what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to opt into both of them. And both of these are set to go to my welcome sequence, which it's just a simple, test one, but I'll go over here to welcome sequence. This one here, there's one email. It's going to fire right away. I'm going to go to my email. Doesn't really matter because there's no click thing that I've got triggered here so that really won't matter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to opt in again and to the other pipeline thing, right? So let's do that. All right. I'm going to go Joey test. And we're going to go to the old test at strategic, right? There we go. And let's submit that guy. Okay, cool. I don't know why it went there, but we'll see. Maybe I didn't do something right with the pipeline because I put it together very, very fast. There we go. Help me out. There we go. So it did send, okay? So now that send is there. I'm just going to go into my good old Gmail over here. Yeah, okay, cool. So there you go. I'm just moving this over. It's right here, right? So welcome to Strategic Business Academy. There's the awesome text, right? The awesome copy. If you ever want to know how to do copywriting, there you go. I'm just kidding, right? So that's the first email, right? So now we know that this dude has got one subscriber. Awesome. Cool. So that was the test, right? So we know the test, my test email has gone through. And I'm subscribed, and there should not be anybody in this campaign, right? It should be 0 people in the campaign. All right. Now let's do it. Let's go back and close some of these windows here. Let's go back to the pipeline. All right. And this one here is the freebie test number 2. And this one here, you can see that I have set up, go to the form, freebie test number 2, and freebie test number 2, let's edit that and make sure that it's going right to the welcome campaign. Same dude right there, okay? And let's go back here, and let's copy that link. And let's go over here, and let's opt in for this guy, test 2. And we're gonna go to test at boom, and let's get it. You are welcome. And we'll just wait a couple minutes. Where are you? Right there. Email campaigns. 1 cent. So subscribers. Yep. You know what? Looks like it's true. So if this person is subscribed to this sequence, it will not go through again. Looks like that's true. So that's something brand new to me. I did not know that, because this is kind of your subscriber list to this, campaign. And if they're already subscribed here, looks like it will not go through again, because I did not get anything on this side. All right. So the next thing that I want to try, okay, is I want to try a subscribe trigger. So I'm going to add a trigger. I'm going to say, when tag is added, okay, let me just do start welcome. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. And what I'm trying to do here now is I'm trying to see that if I do want somebody to come in here, because there are certain situations, especially in my case, where I do want people to go through the same campaign. One is an example of my coaching every week, and I've got like a trigger. Again, it's not in Infusionsoft. That's in Kajabi. It's in Infusion, and that's the reason why I was commenting on how to do this tagging thing. So I send people through that same sequence every single week, and it's got reminder emails and all that kind of stuff, and go sign up, right? So instead of me broadcasting and writing the emails or copy paste the broadcasts, so that's one of the reasons why I would want them to go through again. Okay, so now I want to be able to see if I can go and say to let me go to people. There's only going to be 2 people here. All right. Oh no, there's a test. All right, I got 3 subscribers. That's amazing. Let me go here and go into add a tag. I'm going to go start welcome, and I'm going to submit that guy. And let's see if it goes through. Welcome campaign. 1 cent. Doesn't look like it. Inbox. I'm looking at my inbox on the other computer here. Or the other screen, I should say. And I don't see it. So that is confirmed. Go back here. 1 cent. Yep. It is confirmed that if someone has gone through, they are on this quote-unquote subscriber list, they won't get the email campaign or any emails in this campaign again.